On Saturday, fragments emerged showing the destruction wrought by the quake from former royal capital Mandalay, home to around 1.5 million people, and the city closest to the epicenter. Residents of the city, known for its Buddhist monasteries and a sprawling palace, told CNN of homes, offices, mosques, and monasteries collapsing and roads to the city ruptured by quake, which unleashed energy equivalent to 334 atomic bombs, according to one geologist. And they spoke of desperately rushing injured loved ones to medical care, or the agonizing wait for news of friends still missing or trapped under the rubble.
What the fuck is happening? Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Oh.
Ê, nó kìa, nó kìa, nó kìa. Đại chiến quay rồi, đại chiến là muốn这边了，别人，这边的，回来，回来。照，照去吧，照去吧，照去吧，有呢。
CNN managed to reach one woman living in Mandalay who recalled the terrifying moment a family member was buried by rubble. She asked not to be named. It hit very strong and very fast, she said of the earthquake. She recalled she was boiling water to make milk for her baby when the 7.7 magnitude earthquake struck not far from her home to the east of the city. Part of the wall of the house collapsed onto the woman's grandmother who was sitting nearby, burying her legs in rubble and debris, she said. The door couldn't open as a fence had collapsed onto it. I shouted out for help and my husband came in from the street. He jumped on the door and managed to open it.
Ý này là lọ này gì mà 嘛，然后嘛。我讲，停。
那重点，我信不住，现在是少武器。
啊啦，1位。